So guys, we have received a mileage of 10.8 kilometers or 11 kilometers we can say. And so guys, the purpose of recording this video is two things. First, to never ever rely or never ever trust the mileage which is claimed by the company, which is recommended by ARAI, that is Automotive Research Association of India. So what happens is, this agency calculates the fuel economy of a car on a very genuine basis. Like, they drive a car on an open track on a very fixed speed at topmost gear, but in real world it is we never do like that. The economy the test which we have performed in this video is quite realistic, and how a typical owner will use their car. So we have calculated economy for that. And secondly, I would like to state the fact that if your running is predominantly within the city purposes, and within city purposes and within a control speeds, I think going for car which is more fuel efficient makes more sense. Sure, you will let me clearly give you the name. I am talking about the Maruti cars. Obviously, you will compromise on build quality, but you have to understand that that compromise won't be very big, because if you look the new generation of Hyundai cars, a new fleet of Hyundai cars, they are also quite extensive in their build quality. For example, if you look at the new age Hyundai cars, the new Grand i10 Neos and the Santro, the Aura, and even the new i20 for that matter, Hyundai has drastically reduced the body weight of each and every car in the namesake of facelift. So they are also following the footprints of Maruti. And why just we have to talk about just in general? We have all proofs for describing this. The Santro and the Grand i10 Neos has performed just 2 stars in the recent crash test. As we all know, the crash test performed by the Global NCAP, and so do have performed by the Swift. So Swift has also scored 2 stars only. So obviously, if your driving is predominantly within the city boundaries, picking up cars that are fuel efficient make much more sense. Knowing the fact of high fuel prices. For example, as I already showed you, we have filled the petrol at 97 rupees per liter today, and at some places it has even reached 100. So I know a lot of my family members and my relatives who will be watching this video will call me immediately after watching this video, because I had stopped their plan of, I had refused them for going for Maruti cars because of the build quality. But the build quality offered by these new gen Hyundai cars are not great either. Sure, we are in the older generation Grand i10. We are in the older generation Grand i10, and this is surely heavy than the new generation Grand i10 Neos. This weighs around 1050 kgs, and the new generation Grand i10 Neos is below 1000 kgs. So obviously this feels much more safe. This build quality of this car is definitely better than the new generation Grand i10 Neos. So yeah, because also, for example, we will calculate the fuel economy of Maruti Suzuki Swift petrol in the city of Jodhpur, and I am sure it will, as far as I have communicated and interacted with many owners of Swift, they claim to achieve a fuel economy of over 13 to 14 kmpl within the city of Jodhpur. So per kilometer you can calculate around 1.5 rupees you will save if you drive a Swift and if you drive a Grand i10. So it totally depends on your running, guys, because we also look that Hyundai, the quality, the fit and finish quality, the interiors, the suspension, the ride quality which you will get in Hyundai, obviously the overall feel you will never get in a Maruti car. So all these things matters, guys. It totally depends on your running. If your running is very low, for example, if I talk about this car, we have just done 6700 kilometers in 2.5 years. So our running is quite less. So we are pretty unaffected by the fuel prices, because obviously running is very low. But if your running is very high, and that too in the city, then you can definitely opt for Maruti cars. And also still you want quality as well. You want interior build quality as well. You want good ride quality as well, and you don't want to go for Maruti cars because obviously they do not provide a very good interior aesthetics and interior plastic quality. Then you can also opt for CNG variants of these cars. For example, Hyundai Grand i10 Neos is offering a CNG, and then it also comes down to it also depends on the availability of CNG stations in your respective respective cities or respective areas where you live. So let's end this video. I hope you like this video. So thank you so much for watching this video. At last, I would like to end this video with something. I know I might lost a lot of subscribers due to this, but this is the trend, guys. I have to do this. ये मैं हूँ, ये मेरी ग्रैंड टेन है. Okay, I am not doing this. Please don't unsubscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you so much.